Hello everyone. In this video today, I'll continue the discussion on the same while and do while loop. Actually, last class I have started the discussion on this same concept, same topic. Okay, so few things are pending there. So I will slowly cover all those things today. And one more thing, in the last video I observed the last video length was timing is 58 minutes 32 second, right? So the last 4 minutes, I mean from 54 minutes 32 seconds, some problem happened because of that software issues. So the screen is not shared properly, only voice is coming, right? So I recommend to all of you, please ignore that last 4 minutes. The same thing I will explain very quickly in this video, and they will continue the session here, right? So this is my last class discussion, actually, this one. Okay, so this program actually last in the last video I was discussing, but unfortunately the screen is not shared, only voice is coming, right? So the last 4 minutes I will request to all of you, please ignore the last 4 minutes. I mean from 54 minutes 32 seconds to till end, you ignore that one. And please, the same thing I'm explaining, please refer this video for that, right? The program is same here. So what is this program, sir? The program is, I have written this program to print 1 to n even number only. Okay, 1 to n even number only. Already I have discussed the program how to print 1 to n, 1 to n all the integers, okay, by using while loop, and 1 to n integers in reverse order using while loop. In the last video already I explained. So here we are going to discuss, we are going to understand uh, 1 to n even number, how to print. That means if I will enter the n value 10 here, the number should be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, only even numbers, right? Observe, sir, I'm executing the program here, all F9, so no error here. Okay, control F9. See, I'm entering the value 10. Suppose observe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 printed or not. Sir, what is the logic? Same logic, but only this condition. This condition. What is the condition, sir? I percentile 2 equal to 0. For what purpose we are writing this logic? Only to check even number or not. The same logic I involve here. Okay. Little bit I have explained also in the last video. Please refer this one only, right? So suppose this time for odd number, only 1 to n odd number. Simply logic will be changed here, not equal to 0. Observe Alt F9, no error. Control F9, certain this time 10 again. Observe 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 printed or not. So like this, also as per the requirement, we can change little bit logic here and we can print the even number only, odd number only. Right? So sometimes the interviewer is asking, sir, without using this particular operator, which operator? Modular operator. Okay, na? Without using this modular operator, will you please print the even number and odd number? In that case, what it will do? Suppose this is the not equal to operators, right? If I'll execute this program, what are the only odd number will be there, will be printed. Suppose this time I'm giving 100. Observe, sir, all odd number printed on the 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 99. Only odd numbers are printing. But interviewer what asking exactly? Don't use this modular operator. Okay, na? So don't use this modular operators. Just print what? Just print the all even numbers or all odd numbers. Then confusion. So we know this concept only by using this modular operators, even number, odd number, we can change, check, right? Then see, very easy it is how to do that one. So let me comment these two lines. Okay, comment these two lines, right? 2, 3 lines. Actually, I will comment here because I will not use this operator right now. So as per the requirement, I will not use up to this statement, and the same statement will be there. So while okay, while this one not required comment. Okay, so, while while bracket start, if okay, then Okay, this one also I will comment. This one, right? Okay. Next, I will what I will do. I less than one. Okay, everything is correct. Here I will write in this logic. I will write equal to I plus two. I plus two. Only this small change I am doing here. Equal to I plus two. Let me execute Alt F9. Any error? Sir, no error. Control F9. Sir, this time I am giving 10. Observe. Printed or not. Same output I got, but this much portion I commented. Okay, this much portion I commented here. This line, okay, and this line commented. That means if condition is not working, that means this line is not working. But same to same output or not? Yes, 100% correct. This is how to print 1 to n odd number without using modular operators. In the same way, sir, even number now, instead of using here double equal to, okay, will you print without using this modular operator? Will you print? Okay, very simple. Sir, what is my first starting or list even number 2 or not? So start here 2. I equal to 2. Program is solved. Alt F9. Control F9. So number give 10. Observe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 printed or not. Right? So this is the program. This is the trick here to print. Right? Sir, what is the okay? Let me copy this program. Copy this program to the note. Everything I'm pasting in the note also. You can make it note from there also, right? Sir, this time programmer, very famous program I want to do here, right? Very famous program. What is the program name? Find out the factorial of a given number. Factorial, right? Factorial meaning is what? Very simple, sir. Factorial meaning, I know, everybody know what is the meaning of factorial. Suppose I will enter the number n value 3. Then factorial of 3 is what? Sir, 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, is equal to how much? 3 into 2 into 1, 6 or not? Similarly, suppose I will enter 4, then factorial of 4 become 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is the answer? Answer become 24. Like this, the value will become. Like this the value will become. Similarly for 5 equal to 5 become 5. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like this the factorial value is going to be calculated. So any number, suppose I will enter 12, then 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like this the value should become, right? So this is the factorial concept. The same logic I will write in the program, right? And write in the program, right? So that my program can be able to calculate any number factorial value. Not only this small number 1, 2, 3. Even I will enter the 101 also. It can able to calculate my factorials, right? Observe, sir. What I will do here? Small change I will do here. Okay. Some variable I will change here. N will be there. N will be there. Here I will write, sir, fact. One variable I will declare fact equal to 1. Factorial. Because initial value I cannot take 0. Because 0 if I will take the total result, 0 multiply something means 0. That's a factorial. I should start the value from the 1. Then what I will do? I is less than I not required. When I'll slightly change the logic here. When n is greater than equal to 1, right? N is greater than equal to 1, then this 2, 3 lines is not required. I'm deleting this line. Okay, I'm writing here, fact equal to fact into fact into, right? Then print a percentile d. Okay, so here this line also, this bracket here also not required. I'm writing here fact equal to fact into n, then n minus minus, then bracket close, then printf, here printf factorial value is percentile d, and here instead of I am writing fact. Okay, then next line, I think next line it is not required, and this one also not required, right? Get ch function, this much only, this much only, this much only, I will get the answer. Alt F9. Any errors? No error. Control F9. So this time I am giving the value 3, right? Observe, factorial value is 6 or not? 6 printed. Very good. The logic is perfectly working. Now this time control F9 again I will enter the value of 5. Observe sir, 120 printed or not? Oh, simple, simple. This time I am giving the value, suppose F5, control F9, I am giving 7. Observe, printed or not? 5040 printed or not? Correct answer. This time, observe, very carefully observe. 8 I am giving, 8. Observe, sir. Some wrong result came, minus 25,216. But actually, this is not the result. 40,000 something or 30,000 something, the value will be 8 factor. But why this one problem? For 8 it is problem, up to 7 it is work problem, because variable declaration, observe. So in variable I declare factorial is integer type. But 8 factorial, what is the integer capacity? Capacity is up to 32,767. In positive range, it can store a maximum value 32,767, but unfortunately, 8 factorial value is more than 32,767. How can I store that more value in the integer container? Very simple answer, sir. What? Change this one. Long integer. Long integer. Right? Long integer. Okay, or we can write only long also. So factorial value I declaring right now long, and here n should be integer type. Long integer not a problem, but integer type. N will be integer type. Semicolon. Objects are all definite. Any error? No error. And here factorial long integer means format specifier also changed to LD. Format specifier for long integer is LD. Now Alt F9, no error, Control F9. Now this time 8 factorial value. Observe, came or not? 40,320. Right? Correct answer. Only I changed the variable data types here. I got the answer. Are you getting my point? So this long integer also perfectly work for smaller variable. So 3. Observe, 6 printed or not? Okay. Not. This is my correct program. 100% correct program. So suppose what is the problem here? Alt F9. So this time I will enter 0. 0 factorial is what? 1 or not? See, 1 printed. Correct answer, right? So let me execute this program first. Let me explain this program. Then I will go for the next one. Okay, control. Sir, this is my program. This is my program. I will tell you how this program is executing. Really, this is very important. If you understand this one, you can write the logic. Simply, you can write the logic here. Okay, sir, void main. Okay, see, long integer factor. That means how many container is there? Okay, one container is there. This is one container. And what is the container name? Container name is fact. And what is the value I have stored here initially? Initially value stored 1. And the next container is here. Observe. Next container is n. This container name is n. And from keyboard I will enter n value, sometimes 3, sometimes 4. Suppose this time I am entering 3. A small value I am taking, so that execution time become very less here. I can explain in a less period of time, right? So, and here observe. Sir, n equal to 3 I am suppose entering from the keyboard. Condition will be checked while n, condition is what? N is greater than equal to 1. Right now what is my n value, sir? 3. So 3 is greater than equal to 1. Sir, true or false? Sir, 100% true. True means what will be happen? It will be enter into the loop. What is written inside the loop? Fact equal to fact into n. What is the fact value? 1. So 1 into n value is what? 3. What is the result? Result is again 3. That result that result, this result store in which container? Again in fact container, right? So fact container value right now 1, so change it to 3. Next statement is what? N minus minus, meaning is what? 1 decrement, n value will be 1 decrement. Right now n value is 3, so 1 decrement, n will become 2. Right? Again the while loop end here, but while loop last condition was true na, so repeating statement it is, so again continue, again condition will be checked here. What is the condition here? N greater than equal to 1. Right now what is the n value, sir? What is the n value? What is the n value? What is the n value? N value is 2, so 2 is greater than equal to 1, right? Greater than equal to 1. Okay, 2 is greater than equal to 1. So correct true answer. Again multiplication do. What is the factorial value right now? 3 na? So 3 into, because fact into n, fact into n, fact is 3 right now. N is 2 right now. So 2. What is the value, sir? 6 or not? This value, this result again stored in fact container. So fact container value 3 changed it to 6. Right? Next one, next to observe, sir. Again n minus minus, n minus minus is nothing but 1 or not? Yes, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. Sir, 1 means again this loop will be continued. What is the loop? 1 is greater than or equal to 1. True or false? Sir, again true. True means again this statement will be executed. What is that? Fact equal to fact into n. What is the fact value right now? 6 or not? 6 into, what is the n value right now? 1, 1. What answer came? 6 again came. Okay, na? So 6 will be stored in which container? Again fact container. So 6, this 6 will be deleted, another 6 will be, or this same 6 will be repeat here, not a problem at all. Next n minus minus, n minus minus means n value which becomes 0, decrement, 1 decrement, 1 decrement, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Again loop will be continued, condition will be checked here, 0, partial movement came, 0 less greater than equal to 1. True or false? Sir, false means total this while loop portion will be deleted, not executed, terminated. Then what will be next one? Printf. Factorial value is percentile LD fact. What is the remaining now? Right now value in the fact container? 6 or not? So 6 is the output. Right? Like this is going to be print. So suppose in place of n, directly I will enter 0. Okay, directly I will enter the n value, n value, n value, n value, n value is 0. Okay, once again I will execute this program and I will enter from the keyboard 0. The n value is 0. What will be happen, sir? Observe 0. Sir, condition will be checked. 0 is greater than equal to 1. 0 is greater than equal to 1. 0 is greater than equal to 1. True or false? 0 is, condition will be checked, 0 is greater than equal to 1. Sir, false. False means from the beginning, from the starting, the loop will be not executed. What will be print? Print factorial value equal to fact. Right now, observe what is the factorial value I declare, 1 or not. So it will print 1. That's why 0 factorial is 1. So 0 factorial 1 true or not? Yes, it is 100% true. So this is the way. This is the way how this program will be executed. Observe a small change I will do. Already we have discussed do while loop syntax or not. Same program. I will write in the do while loop concept. Here I am writing do instead of while, and here this is the do while loop. Do while n is greater than equal to 1. This is the do while loop syntax, right? Do while loop syntax. Observe. Alt F9. Any error, sir? No error. Control F9. Also no error. This time 3. Observe. 6 printed. Correct answer only. Correct answer. Control F9. Sir, this is 8. Suppose 8 right now. Observe. 40,000 something. Only 100% correct answer. But this time, sir, 0. Observe. Factorial of value is 0 or not. Wrong result. Wrong result. That means in while loop, this concept is working for 0. 0 factorial is 1 is this, just I have shown you. But here 0 is do while loop is not working properly. That's why while loop is 1. while loop is good one. Always while loop we are covering 80 to 90% program while loop. So what is the logic here? Okay, what is the logic here? Let me explain why this problem is happening. Why this problem is happening? Very simple, sir. Why this problem is happening here? Okay, let me explain first. This is my program, right? In the same way, two containers is required. One is fact, and another is n. So what is the value? Fact value initially I stored as 1. So now I am giving n value is 3. N value is 3, suppose. Observe. Sir, 3. Sir, what is the condition? Observe. Sir, n value I read here 3 here. I 3 read. Now condition checked. Do. No condition. So all statement will be executed slowly. What is the condition, sir? Fact equal to fact into n first. Fact equal to. What is the fact value? 1. Okay, n value 3. So 1 into 3. 1 into 3. How much? 3 or not? 1 into 3 equal to 3. So again, this 3 value store where? Inside this fact container. So one value will be deleted. 3 will be stored here, right? Next see n minus minus. N minus minus means n value decrement. N will right now 3, so n value become right now 2. Now condition will be checked. While n greater than equal to 1, right now n value is what, sir? 2. 2, sir. 2 is greater than equal to 1. True or false? True or false? Sir, 2 100% true. If true, again it will go to do. Again from do the loop will be start, execution will start. What is the next? Fact equal to fact into n. So what is the value right now observing the fact container? 3. What is the n value? 2. Then result become 3 into 2, it is become 6. Okay, the 6 will store where? Again in the fact container. So 3 will be deleted, 6 will be stored here. Right. Next is what? N minus minus. N minus minus means 2 value will be deleted, 1 will be stored here. Right. 1 will be stored here. Next while n greater than condition will be checked. What is the condition right now? 1 greater than equal to 1. True or false? 100% true. True means again it will go to do. Again it will go to do. Again factorial equal to fact into n. Observe fact container value is what? 6 or not? N container 1 is there. So 6 into 1. Again 6. Again 6. Again this 6 will be stored where? In the 6. This container. 6 is already there or not? Right. So again n minus minus. N minus minus means 1 will be changed to 0 this time. Do 1 decrement? Na? 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So now condition checked. 0 greater than equal to 1. True or false? False. False means it will not go here. Directly it will come to outside. Outside. What is written outside? Printf factorial is a fact. What is right now the fact value of that? 6 or not? So answer here come 6 printed, right? So this is the problem. But while I will enter 0 n value in the place of 3, I will enter n value 0. Why it is showing 0? But 0 factorial 1 or not? 0 factorial. 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. But in this do while 0 factorial result is instead of 1, it is showing 0. Wrong result. Sir, why? Because observe. Sir, I enter 0. Condition. Do no condition, right? Factorial equal to fact into n. Sir, fact value is 1. N value I am entering 0. So 1 into 0. Here I am multiplying 1 into 0. 1 into 0. What is the answer, sir? 0 or not? 0. That means fact value 1 will be deleted in the container. 1 will be deleted. 0 will be stored. Now condition n minus minus. N minus minus. Sir, n value I enter 0. Na? So n minus minus means 0 minus 1. Answer become minus 1. Now condition check. N greater than equal to 1. N value minus 1. Minus 1. greater than equal to 1. So condition false na? False means it will not go to do, it will come to here. Okay, outside. What is the printf? Print factorial value is fact. Right now factorial value is what? Factorial value 0 or not of 0. So that's why answer putting the wrong result. So do while loop is not working in this case. That's why while loop is working properly, but do while loop is not working properly here. So do you do 80%? Sir, when we will go for the do while loop? The interviewer is asking me while loop is there, do while loop is there. Dennis is given the two concept. Then why we will prepare while loop? Why we will prepare do while loop? Will you give answer? Sir, in factorial case only we will use while loop, and in while loop and other case I will use do while loop. No, remember. Every program we can design with the while loop, same program also with the do while loop. But remember, in some cases, do while loop will be fails. In some cases also, while loop also fails, right? But maximum 80 to 90% while loop in the program we are using. In special cases, like observe here in this case, what is happening here? Really, here whether the condition is true or false. Okay, condition is checking last. So before that, all this statement executed or not? First, all the statement executed, then condition checked. Right? I also told in the syntax section also I have told the difference between while and while. First statement will be executed, then condition check. Condition false means do I look terminated. But before terminating, already this statement executed or not? That means if there is minimum one time the statement has to be executed, minimum one time the statement has to be executed, then we will go for do while loop. We will go for do while loop. While loop means if the condition false, no statement, there is no chance execution of statement. But in do while loop, if even condition false in the first attempt, first do part will be executed. Right? Do part will be executed. This is the difference between while loop and do while loop. I hope this concept is clear to all of you, right? Okay, clear to all of you this concept. So this is the program. Just I told, just I have explained here. So I will conclude here. In the next video, I will explain few more programs. Then I will continue the next topic. So till now, please take care and bye bye. Okay.